Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. All right, we got a quick reminder from Reese Merrick here. We've never been in a better position heading into a new year. As you guys know, if you guys are watching this video on the day that I'm releasing it, it is December the 9th. Reese Merrick does work at Ripple. He is at the Dubai office in the Middle East. But guys, big things are happening for Ripple all over the world. He says we have moved past the idea of regulation being a blocker. So this is huge. I mean, in the United States, of course, now we do have that regulation being drafted, becoming clearer and clearer. He says clear framework are exactly what FIs need to move from exploration to implementation. And this is what we're seeing globally. RWAs, okay, real-world tokenized assets have matured into a regulated $30 billion industry. And we're seeing large players like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Ondo Finance leading the charge. Stablecoin supply did surge 50% this year, currently sitting at about $310 billion. Forecasted growth for RWAs and stablecoins set to move into the trillions in the coming years. Not only that, crypto ETFs have seen a steady accumulation with approximately $29.3 billion in net inflows into crypto ETFs this year. The hype speculative flows have been replaced by sticky long-term institutional capital, and this is where the money is going to come from in the future. Multiple XRP ETFs were launched, showing clear institutional interest, approaching $1 billion AUM in under a month. We've also got financial institutions. They aren't just looking to replace their stacks. They are looking to incorporate blockchain tech to improve payment settlement times, costs, and liquidity. So it's an exciting time to be building at the intersection of crypto, traditional payments, and tokenization with Ripple. I'm still not done with 2025 yet, but I am pumped for what is coming in 2026. So very encouraging words here from Reese Merrick. Wanted to thank him for posting that. I mean, tokenization today is roughly where the internet was in 1996. This another statement here coming from Snap Crackle on Twitter. What does that actually mean? Well, I don't know how many of you guys were around in 96. I remember I was entering high school at the time. Adoption was tiny. Amazon had sold $16 million worth of books. Google didn't even exist yet, neither did Facebook or Netflix. The skeptics weren't wrong about the problems, they were wrong about the trajectory. So tokenization, he says, looks similar in 2025. The infrastructure works. Ethereum has processed trillions in value with 100% uptime across 17 network upgrades. But here it says adoption is still early. $30 billion in real-world assets on chain. BlackRock tokenized treasury funds holding $2.3 billion. Guys, look at where we're at. If I were to just start this this chart here, you guys can see, so it is pretty much just a moving graph over time, and it goes month by month. You guys can see in 2024, we did not really see too much in terms of tokenizing stocks. But then as soon as we hit 2025, the first couple of months in 2025, you guys can see that number has been increasing. And now nearing the end of 2025, you guys can see, so it did dip down in the middle of 2025, but now, guys, we're going to see another big move to the upside. So that is where we're at in terms of tokenization. Don't let it fool you. The big players are coming in, and the cryptocurrencies that are going to solve problems are going to be the ones that are heavily traded like XRP. This is why OLS Exchange has just now listed XRP, secure compliant access to one of the world's most established digital assets, renowned for its speed and efficiency in cross-border transactions. XRP expands OLSHK's token lineup. And you guys can see down here, look at what it says down here, for professional investors only. So this is, I guess, an exchange in Hong Kong that is promoting XRP, but specifically for professional investors. Interesting move there. Considering we are seeing XRP price just kind of languishing at the moment. Of course, we are still trading in a spec market, guys. But this is going to change. I mean, this is not going to stay like this forever. For more information on how I'm treating this market, where I'm going to be buying the dip, where my cash out targets are, and not just for my XRP, guys, my entire legacy portfolio, all the other cryptocurrencies that I hold, you guys can follow me, patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. It is only $5 a month. I know most of you guys probably spend $5 without even thinking about it multiple times a week. This is only $5 a month, and you get a whole lot of information, my thoughts specifically on where the market is headed and where the market's going to be going, what coins I'm going to be buying for this next rally. You can find all that out at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, $5 a month only, but you got to subscribe and stay subscribed to lock into that price. Nevly fans posted this. I got tired of confusing half-true crypto rankings, so I built this. Guys, check this out. This is a new crypto ranking I guess it's like CoinMarketCap, but it's got some more options here. He posted a little video, actually. Probably be better just to bring up the actual thing here, real market cap. So you can filter out the noise. You can filter out stablecoins or show the stablecoins. So it is another tool that the crypto community can use. Interesting to see here, circulating supply. We do have the percentage here color coded, so you can very easily see what the circulating supply is for certain cryptocurrencies. Then it gives a delta rating, and he gives all kinds of different metrics here. So red, so large negative, the token drops more than 15 spots by ranked, when ranked by FDV. Orange is moderate, and green is positive, obviously. So very easy to use. You can also, kind of do whatever you want. Sort by price, 24-hour gain or loss, delta, circulating supply, all kinds of things like that. So interesting to say the least. I'm going to be bookmarking this and using it in the future. Wanted to thank Nev, wanted to thank OSLHK, James here, and Reese Merrick just for posting that. Now, guys, we talked about Shane Ellis theory in the past. If you guys are not familiar with Shane Ellis theory, I do suggest you go to the video that I'm going to link in the top right-hand corner up here. This courtesy of Welshie Outdoors. If big players buy XRP all at once, the price could skyrocket. So let's not forget, okay, Evernorth is raising $1 billion plus to buy XRP and hold it as a treasury asset. We got news on that recently. XRP ETFs are live and gobbling up millions of XRP daily. The XRP floodgates have opened, and now it's time to lock in. So why did David Schwartz post this several times now? And what the heck is it? David Schwartz posted this in 2022, I think, originally, and then again in 2024. You guys can see that symbol in there. First of all, what is this symbol? Well, I took to Google, and the AI overview commented on this. As you guys can see, it did reference some of these specific, I guess, images here on Etsy. This is one here. The Ellis sigil. Things that make you go, It is the Ellis linking sigil, and it refers to the specific magical symbol used in chaos magic, often associated with the DKMU, or the Discorporated Knowledge Mystical Universe, or Sorcerer's Apprentice. Currents designed to connect practitioners, access information, or link intentions across time and space, popular on items like t-shirts, stickers, and accessories. So guys, that is a specific symbol, the Ellis symbol. And I've got a little synopsis here on Shane Ellis theory. It does propose that XRP's price could spike dramatically to extremely high levels, like $1,000 or more per token, without requiring billions in additional investment. The theory is based on the structure of order books in financial markets and how liquidity works in cross-border payments. So just going back to what Welshie Outdoors was saying here, then we have Evernorth buying up $1 billion plus of XRP to hold in its treasury. And then we have the ETFs gobbling up XRP as well. Things that make you go, So the linking sigil, the Ellis sigil, David Schwartz has posted this a couple of times now. And yeah, I got to say, David Schwartz, a bit of a sorcerer, don't you think? He has predicted several things in the market that have come true. So I would not be surprised if this one came true as well. Not only that, he's also been pointing to 589 for years. This coming from 589 CTO here, just a coincidence? Well, you decide. This is the famous banyan tree in Lahaina on the island of Maui, okay? So what he's referring to here is this banyan tree, and this is a David Schwartz post from 2021. And guys, check this out, the original species planetarium. This is, I guess, where they documented all this, 1753, volume 2, page 589. The foundational botanical work lists early ficus species. Later typifications confirm that this tree's special epithet, Bangvethalis, traces back to this exact page. Either way, guys, 589 has been decoded. So would it be a surprise to you if we did see something interesting happen on Christmas Eve of this year, December 24th, 2025? Now, we know Bearable Guy does usually come out with riddles on that day, but wouldn't it be nice if we did see something 59 months and 9 weeks after the Ripple SEC lawsuit was announced? Things that make you go, yeah. The Ripple case was officially announced on December 22nd, 2020, and 58 months and 9 weeks later, 589, guys, that brings us to 12/24/25. So guys, does this mean something? Are we to expect something very important to happen on Christmas Eve 2025? Are we going to get a big announcement? Is XRP going to shoot to the moon? So much could still happen, guys. We're only a few weeks away. That's just my opinion. But if you guys want a more detailed opinion on how I'm treating this particular market, follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. And if you're looking for Christmas ideas, Christmas gifts, mosey on down to the Working Money Channel merch store. Link is in the description of the video. Again, that's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.